Yo, what's popping, gang? What's popping, gang? Welcome back to First Time Effects Homo Blues, gang. This is another video, another episode, and today I'm going to give you once again another tip. Then, today, once again, I'm going to talk about scalping, okay? So, we are now going to do something called continuation, okay? We're just going to join in the gang, right? So, let's say probably that, price is already moving the upside, or let's say has broken the resistance, or has already left the support. So maybe you're late, so you have to find positions to get in and ride the wave with the gang, right? So today, I'm not going to waste your time. So if this is the first time you're watching this video, kindly stick around, guys, okay? Because this channel is always lit. Stick around, guys, and probably after the end of the video, if this video is interesting, guys, then please smash the subscribe button and the like button only if you find the video interesting, okay? So let's begin. So first things first, I will start doing my replay tool. I will rewind the price, okay? So then, now let's say you just woke up and this is how the market is looking like. So you want to you want to make your entries, all right? So you just have to do something we all know, we do call analysis. So just have to identify your highs and the lows, okay? The demand and the supply zone, okay? All right. So come on, boom. Right then, we have this zone, of course. Okay, so now after identifying the zone, of course, we can see now that the market is in a downtrend, okay? The first thing, another thing that you need to identify is the general direction, okay? Now you can see that the market is in a downtrend. So now let's hit that replay tool, okay? Okay, so now that's what's up. Okay, so we will need to go to the lower time frame because now we just want to flow with the gang, the big boys, okay? So we just have to follow what they're doing. So we can see that price is giving us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. For those who are watching this video and don't know what I'm talking about, this is a lower low. Price went to give us a lower high, and now it's giving us a lower low over here, okay? So we just expect or anticipate that price will continue going to the lower side or the downside, okay? All right, so this is now the hourly time frame. Then we're going to make those entries at the 15 minutes, okay? So let's go. All right, that's amazing. Now for the scalpers, I believe maybe some people can bag in this joint 24 pips. Come on, let me delete that. What's happening? For the scalpers, maybe smash that, because I can see that the resistance has been rejected, guys. So the resistance has been rejected, and now, okay, of course we were talking about scalping. Then make your stop loss below, above that previous high or previous zone, of course. Boom, 12 pips tight, okay? So let's see what happened. Okay, all right, and boom, we just smashed that, okay? Of course, we can see price was still hunting those top loss. All right, so that was crazy. That's crazy. So that's good. Let's go back to the 1 hour. The higher time frame. We just need to see what the higher time frame is doing. Okay, before doing anything, before making a decision, we just have to see and identify the zones from the higher time frame. So that's smashed, gang. And let me remove that and let's see what's happening. Let's continue. Boom. So that's another one. All right, so now let's see if price pulls back. I don't know. Of course, we still have this zone, of course, over here. Okay, let's see what price did. Okay, generally, before that, let's see what happened. Let's just sorry, let's see what happened at the 15. Let me remove this replay tool. No. Okay, let's go back to the 15 and see what happened. we were supposed to take entries the lower time frame basically. Okay, so we did take our profit, of course, here. Then price gave us this zone. That's another target zone that we should be watching out. So now price has not pulled back to retest this zone, so we should anticipate that price should come back, retest this zone, show us some rejection, then now go all the way down, but then we should be taking profit down here. Okay, all right, so let's see if that happened. I don't know. Okay, slowly baby, slowly baby, slowly baby. Right, I can see that. Okay, let me remove this. I need those clear joins. Okay, nice, 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 nice. I believe some other scalpers did take a buy over here, because I can see price giving us new trend, higher high and higher low. So that's 34 pips. So if I remove this join over here, and then maybe say let's draw this to be more clean. Say that this is another supply zone over here, then this is demand zone over here. Okay, but now this is the 15 minutes. So you can see, as usual, I usually look for those reversal signs. So price broke, now it's going up, maybe give us another sign of going down, come up, then that's a double bottom, I mean double top before going down. Okay, but then this is a 15, sometimes it might not happen. So we just see what price is doing. Of course, I can see price giving us new highs or new structures, of course, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so for now price is still bullish, gang. So let's see price. Okay, now nice, that's when that's nice, that's nice. Price still bullish, though we've not taken that entry, so we should wait for price to break this support, that our trend line. So that's broken. Let's see if price goes up. I don't know. So if we miss that entry, yes, and yes, yes, it went up. That's amazing. So let's wait for an engulfing candlestick, guys. I did not chase this trade, so that's the better part of it. Okay, so let's see if I can get a beautiful engulfing candlestick, the bearish. That can be a nice one. This can be a nice one. Okay, so let's see if we bagged in or we were stopped out. Okay, let's go. Okay, I was almost stopped out. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I don't know if price is still in an, okay, that's something. So price basically is still in an uptrend, so I don't know, maybe we should get out of this trade. Okay, get out of this trade, call it maybe how many pips stop loss. I mean, let's just close this as a loss. Okay, so that's 3 pip loss, guys. Just have to deal with that. So because I can see price, that was a manipulation, but now price has given us new structures. As you can see, I've now adjusted that my trend line, so still telling me that price is still in an uptrend. That was a manipulation, guys. So we out, we're down 3 pips. Okay, let's see. Okay, you see, now that's, I believe that's another trend. We were almost taken, I believe, because of spread of different brokers. I believe many brokers did close this trade. Of course, my stop loss was missed with 1 pip. Some brokers might have closed this trade. I don't know, maybe you survived this. Okay, so let's see. I believe I can see a double top somewhere. Double top somewhere. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that arrow? So we should give it another chance. Okay, we can give this another chance. Let's see. Boom. They now make it the previous high over there. Let's give this trade another chance. Okay, of course I closed the previous one. Let's see. All right, so I don't know what's happening, man, but we can see now price is also trying to take us out once again. I don't know, let's see if he was out. Okay, So I can see that price has given us a certain resistance zone over here, which might be strong. I don't know. So oh, come on, that's it. I don't know. Let's see if you see, of course, an engulfing candle. See, boom. Maybe take another sell entry here, but then you should not add sell entry. I mean, you should not add positions to your losses unless you know what you're doing, game. Okay. All right. Where is it? Where is it? Let's go. And yes, the second position was taken out. Let's see. Yeah, the second. Oh, come on, all the positions. And then now let's see what price just did. So I can see price is consolidating. So all right, that was out. We was taken out. So we just have to now understand what price is trying to do. Okay. Let's go back to the 1 hour and see. Okay, so that's a consolidation, of course. Okay. Let's remove. Let's do this. Just adjusting. Okay. And see what's happening on the 4 hours. Okay, so at the 4 hours there was something happening here. That is a consolidation. So manipulation of the double top, no problem. But then we are still we're still bearish on this joint. Okay, so that's what's up. I believe that price trying to tell us that this joint or this support, I mean the resistance is somehow strong. So let's go back to the 15. Okay, at the 15, that's what's up. Okay, so now, so for us to take this sell entry once again, then we have to see new lows being formed, but then not just one low. Okay, at least for a confirmation I should now see, because now we fall into that manipulation. So I just have to see that new lower low, lower high, then the new this lower low, the previous lower low to be broken, then price to go back. Then now that's when I should take that entry. Okay, to avoid that manipulation. That I believe price will have given us now clear indication that now it's time to go. So step by step, of course, I can see we have a support here. Okay, and then the reason I'm saying that there's now consolidation is that, okay, that is where people lose money, when consolidation is happening. Okay, so let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, so you can see price still moving sideways, guys. Okay, that was broken. Then price went back to that consolidation. I believe now when price breaks this zone, might just go down without giving us position, our entry position. So that's broken. Once again, let's see if price goes up, then we should take a now sell entry. Come on, go up. Okay, so I can see lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, lower low, low high. Price already price has touched this zone. Crazy lower low, but this zone has to be broken. So we should target the previous low. Let's go to the 4 hours. Of course, price has now started going down. Okay, so let's see. This is the next zone over here. I'll just mark those zones from the higher time frame. Come on. Boom. Okay, here we go. That's the zone. Then yeah, let's go back. We can see now the price did reject that from the 4-hour time frame. That's a good rejection. That's a great rejection. So that's huge. That's big though. Okay, so let's see what just happened. So I can see price giving us, come on, these are the downtrend. that price trying to form. Okay. Oh, let's go step by step. We had this previous zone, of course. We had that zone. So let me remove this. Let's just be clean. Let's just be clean. Let's just be clean. So we're still understanding what market is doing, though we are now in the trade. So let's see. We're already up. We are up. We are up 23 pips, of course. No. Actually, price went our side 36 pips, so which is great. So price is playing at this zone. This now is a resistance. It's broken, guys. So now price trying to see if it can break it and go back to the upper side, right? But then you're still in a downtrend again. Okay, and boom, we smashed that take profit, guys. Remember, we took a loss too, but then now we just bagged in 68 pips plus the previous one. I can't remember, the previous one was 20 something. So great, guys. So we're still up. Remember, the reason why I made this stop loss this big to the previous zone over here, I saw that this zone was quite strong, but then I knew that price might still go up because if I had this stop loss above here, price could have just hunt that stop loss and take me out. You can see if I made that stop loss above my previous above the previous resistance or a previous candlestick, the 12 pip, then I was taken out. Okay, but then I just had to make it all the way up to allow price to continue playing or to give it more room to play out, guys. So if we take that trend line from this zone over here where we started, guys, and draw all the way down, you can see that's what's up. That's what's up. Of course, nothing is guaranteed in this market, not 100%. I cannot promise you 100% win. So you just see, I mean, you just saw how we just reacted to what the market is doing. Like I said before, if you see price is giving us something different and you're in the market, you just have to close it, right? Just have to close it. Okay, so yeah, 3 pips stop loss, not bad. And yeah, I believe you learned something, guys. So then smash the subscribe button, gang. Smash the subscribe button. Okay, all right. So let me take you back. This Euro USD, I did take this trade too, guys. I did take this trade last, I mean, the week that just ended. So I will explain that. Okay, all right. So these are just the ones that I did. I've just explained. So I'll just remove this. Rather, let me explain this. Let me rewind this, how I did win this amazing 73 pips. And actually I did send that signal to my community for free, guys. Also check that community, guys, that I've been talking about for some time, right? Check it, guys. Free. The link in the description. All right, so how did I take this trade? First things first, I did analyze demand and the supply zone, guys. I did make this drawing. That's now our supply zone, guys. Why did I call this a supply zone? Look at this. This is where price they had the previous high. Then now this was the previous low. Now that's the demand zone. Okay. All right. So this is now what the price was looking like. But then generally I knew that the price was in a downtrend. How did I know? Man, I was just looking at this. The price is falling, guys. The price is really going down. Okay, giving us new low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So of course I was supposed to look for sales. Okay, so my anticipation was this. Now that price was over here, over here, so I was just expecting, this is the behavior of price went up, went down. Now I was expecting price to go up, then now fall back. Okay, so now that's the reason why I had these arrows in place. So I was just expecting price to give us a double top, but then I said, okay, instead of waiting for price to go up, then now take my sell entry all the way from that zone that I was waiting for. Let me just monitor and see what the price is trying to do, and maybe if I see giving us new trend, I will take a buy and maybe take sales when price has already given us an indication that it's time to go down. Okay, so it took some days, guys, took some days. So this was up. I'll hit that now. This is the 1 hour time frame. I'll hit that replay tool. Okay, so this is what's up. Okay, that is now what's up. Price was still in a downtrend though. In the lower time frame, price is still giving us new low. This is a lower high, lower low, lower high, then lower low. Let's see, lower low. Okay, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So I've not taken that entry either way. Okay, I'm just monitoring how the price is behaving. Okay, that's crazy. Now, this is the now you can see my trend line, how perfect it is, how beautiful it is. Now that's what's up. Okay, so when I went to the 15 minutes, something was happening, guys. Okay, look at this, something is happening. So I did not take that entry yet, right? Yes, so price giving us something. Price was giving us let me see. All right, yeah, price broke that zone, guys. Yeah, price broke that zone, but still I did not take that entry. I waited for that pullback. Guys, you just have to be patient. The moment I saw that price broke this zone, I waited for a pullback to retest this resistance that was broken. Now was becoming a support, guys. Okay, so let's see. I want to make sure you guys are seeing the behaviors of the candlestick. Okay, so let's go, baby. So beautiful, so beautiful. You can see now price is giving us new highs and new lows, guys. Okay, price broke higher high, higher low. Took that joint, man. Took that joint. Took that joint. Why hesitate, gang? Why hesitate, gang? Took that joint, gang. Took that joint and swing it all the way up, baby. Swing it all the way up, baby. Swing it, baby. Come on. Come to papi, baby. Boom. Smashed. Smashed, big gang. 73 pips. 73 pips. Then news also helped this joint to skyrocket. Okay, so now already price has already gone back to that supply zone, my anticipation, okay, to give us now a double top. So now I've not taken that entry. I'm still monitoring and see what price is doing. Of course, still price in an uptrend, game. Okay, so price is still in an uptrend. I've not taken that entry. You can see that's how the market closed on Friday. I've not taken that entry. Okay, so I'm just waiting to see how this joint is going to behave before I take that sell entry, basically. Okay, let me see. Okay, just have to watch out what's happening. Just need to understand what price is trying to tell you, guys. Okay, of course I can see as price has already started falling, but I've not taken that entry yet. I don't know if I'm going to miss this because I've not seen my structures, guys, the lower low, lower high being formed. So I don't know, price might just fall, guys. It might just fall. Okay, it might just fall. So I don't know. So because I've not seen those beautiful structures in the lower time frame. Okay, all right. Oh, then oh yeah, they did start forming, so I just missed that. But no, the price has not yet reached the anticipated zone. Okay, so for now I'll just now find position. You can see lower low, lower high. What's up? It's a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, until you get there, right? So that's amazing. I can see, okay, this uptrend was okay. So that's another manipulation. So that might be a manipulation, guys. You can see if I extend this joint over here, maybe price is still in an uptrend. That's why I'm not taking the sell entry. That's amazing. See, you understand what the market is trying to do. So I'm not going to take that entry the way. If price pulls back, not yet. Okay, so price might still go back, guys. Might go back once again, rejection, and then I just have to see more clear downtrend formation before we go down. So that's another manipulation. I'm not going to fall into that. Okay, so that's easy game. So I believe you learned something, guys. So if this video was interesting, or you learned more about forex trading, guys, then maybe smash that subscribe button. I will highly appreciate. I will highly appreciate, guys. So yeah, until the next time, maybe next video, guys, feel free, guys, to check my channel, telegram channel, that I send free signals, guys. And I can promise you, it's not that we win every day, guys. Okay, we also take losses, guys. We also take losses, but when we find the best trades or good trades, we make good use of the opportunity. But then this is the forex market, nothing is guaranteed. We have losses too, so I can't promise you heaven either way. But still, don't run away. Just check the channel in the description box below, and also if you want to reach me out, I also have a link in the description box below. So guys, until next time, and adios amigos.